posted this to TikTok, I would absolutely get suppressed or banned, I'm sure of it. But this is dangerous misinformation. The ban TikTok bill is actually proposing that ByteDance, a Chinese-owned company, sells to an American-owned company, which would be extremely profitable. It would be a sale in the billions and billions and billions of dollars, and it wouldn't disallow ByteDance to continue doing business in other countries that do not have a similar rule. Why would TikTok be opposed to that? Literally, why are they running campaigns, going to Congress, trying to fight it so hard? Just sell. I'm a Canadian, and if I want to do business in America, I have to comply with your rules. And this argument about free speech is completely flawed. Why do you think ByteDance, a Chinese-owned company, has any obligation to your free speech? If a Chinese-owned company does not comply with your constitution, there are absolutely zero ramifications for that. They don't have to. It's your constitution, not theirs. And this divisive politicizing of an issue that's pretty straightforward, I'm a Canadian, if I want to do business in America, I must comply with your rules, is alarming and strange. Because the foreign adversaries and the politicians know that you'll see a post like this and you'll think, I like using TikTok, so Biden bad. And that's just not a level of due diligence that's required to make decisions as important as who's going to run your country. Really, seriously, ask yourself, why wouldn't TikTok sell? And I'll do the due diligence for you. This is the actual wording of why the bill is being proposed. And with the current global climate, I don't think that's really out of line.